plant leaf disease detection. So the main dataset which we have used a plant village dataset for training the model. We have used plant village dataset which is available on internet. Okay, so we have used this one for the training the algorithm, and for the algorithm we have used YOLO algorithm, YOLO version 8 for train the model, and the accuracy which we have got on top of the YOLO algorithm that is 97%. On dataset we have achieved 97% of accuracy for this particular approach. Okay, this is the complete project folder. Okay, so in this is the Jupyter notebook and this is the HTML file for the same. So this is the main code where we have trained the model, like we have cloned the data set, we have connected the Google Drive and extracted the data set. Okay, and after extraction we have downloaded the all required libraries for the YOLO. Okay, and we have used Ultralytics utility, which is the official utility for the YOLO, and this is the command for training the YOLO algorithm. Okay, and we have got almost 90, we have done 20 epochs, and we have achieved 97% accuracy. Okay, and to run the project you just have to go to inside your project folder. So I will be giving you one zip file. After extraction of the zip file you will get this number of files. You just have to open the command prompt here, and here you have to type a command python main.py. Once you do that you will get the basic configuration and the option to select whether if you want to go for image or a batch image or a video, anything you can choose. Let's suppose we'll go with image one. Okay, so once you open with the particular select the option for the image, it will ask us to select the image. So in the project folder I am giving you one sample images folder. So in that the sample images folder I have given you all category images. You can choose any of that. Okay, let's suppose select this tomato one. Okay, and once you do the selection it will make the prediction, it will do the detection as well as classification, both it will do. Okay, similarly, let's suppose you want to upload some combined images. I have also given you one folder for the combined images where I have already combined some images. Okay, so you can upload this one, anyone, or you can combine your own also. So you will have the bunch of prediction. So you can easily explain the detection as well as classification thing. Okay, so as you can see, six leaf has been detected and their respective diseases. Okay, similarly we do have option for the particular video. So same I have given you, say in the sample images folder I have given you one folder videos. So inside the video I have generated some video through the images. So you can select that one, anyone. So and you will be get the prediction continuously, whatever the size of video number of frames, it will make the prediction and show the output. So this way you can demonstrate with the images and video. So yeah, this is about the project. In case of any doubt please let us know.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.